Hello students, welcome back to my channel Lightup Knowledge and very warm welcome to today's video. I hope you all are doing well. In today's video, we will be studying about compound nouns. So nouns is a separate playlist in my channel, the link of which will be available in the description box, so you can go and check that out along with the links of other important playlists related to English and other subjects as well. Now without any further ado, let's get started. Let us study compound nouns. Compound nouns are the nouns which are made up of two or more nouns put together or joined by a hyphen. So, compound nouns are those nouns which are made up of two or more nouns. Basically, if you look at the meaning of the word compound, it means that something that's made up of two or more words or an element, okay, which is made up of a compound is a mixture made up of two or more elements. So, in English, we can say that compound nouns are the words which are made up of two or more nouns. Okay, often they are put together or they are joined by a hyphen. If you see these examples given here, the first one is skyjacker. Okay, it is hyphenated compound noun. Then is weight lifting, and the next one is swimming pool. Okay, so both of them are nouns and they are put together. They can be hyphenated and non-hyphenated. So compound nouns are nouns which are made up of two or more nouns, and therefore even they are hyphenated and non-hyphenated. Let us study how different combinations of compound nouns could be made. The first one is we can form a compound noun using two nouns. Like the first and the second word, both are nouns there. Okay, like London transport, both of them are nouns. Hall door, hitchhiker, kitchen table, Fleet Street, traffic warden, winter clothes, tar bridge, petrol tank, rank, bank. So all these words here, both of them are noun. So first combination is noun plus noun. The second combination is noun plus gerund. So gerunds are the ing forms of words which which function as nouns. For example, fruit picking, lorry driving, bird watching, coal mining, surf riding. The next is they interchange their positions. Now there is gerund plus noun, like waiting list, dividing board, driving license, landing card, dining room. So all these were the possible combinations of compound nouns that we have. So that was all for today's video. I hope you enjoyed watching today's video. You found it useful. If you are having any doubt, you can comment down in the description box. I would love to answer, and you can check all the important playlist in the description box. Keep learning and keep growing until we meet next time, and in the next video we'll be probably starting with the noun gender. Okay, so this is the 8th video in the playlist. The next will be video number 9.